Part 2, the letters E. With this one, the first one is very familiar with you guys because basically they sound very similar to English. It's just E. But the second one is the one that a lot of people struggle with, which is E. Sounds very, very similar. So if you mix it up sometimes, people won't be too hard on it. Still, they can understand it. But to pronounce them correctly, let's try to work on the pronunciation. We have the first one, E, mouth shape. See that? E. With the second one, because of the head, I try to make the roof with the upper lips. E, while still saying pretty much similar sound, but pull it lower. E. Okay? One more time. E. Alright, let's practice. This word is with the hat. Let's practice with each letter. We have the first one. This word is Next one, game. Next one, chén. Next one, hen. Next one, mẹ. And the last one, kém. Now let's practice with the letter E with a hat. E. Okay? So for example, we have them, hết, mệt, lên, nếm, bền. Okay? Now, let's practice to hear which one I'm saying, make it a little bit more difficult. I have these words and you need to figure out if I'm saying the first E or the second E. We have the first couple is and Okay, listen carefully. What am I saying? Which one is that? The first one. Correct. Next one, we have lên or lên. I'm saying lên. Which one is that? Second one. Very good. Next one I have is head and head. Which one am I saying? Head is the second one. Very good. Okay. Right, let's do something a little bit difficult. Now, I don't give you any words. I'm just saying it and you have to guess which E I'm saying. First one. Game. Is it the normal E or is it the E with a hat? It is normal E. There you go. Next one we have is lên. Which one is that? It's the E with a hat. Okay, one more. We have bên. Which one is it? It's still the E with a hat. One more. Hết. Now, how about this? E or E with a hat? It's still E with a hat. One more. We have name. How about now? What is it? It's normal E. Yeah, very good. So with the E and E with a hat, they're very similar. However, in order to make the difference, you need to focus on the mouth shape and the pitch. The A usually will be higher pitch and the A will be lower pitch. The mouth shape for the A is stretching to the side and the A is shaping the head. Alright, again, don't freak out if you can't hear the difference or if you cannot make the difference. Vietnamese people will be forgiving when it comes to these because some Vietnamese people also mix them up in Vietnamese. Okay, thanks for listening. I hope you had a good time and I'll see you in the next lesson. Cảm ơn, hẹn gặp lại.